Starting off with freshly washed hair, go ahead and check out my natural hair products, what I currently use. I was just showing you how to not flat twist your hair. You want to make sure the front of your hair is flat twisted in the same direction. So I'm doing a 2-strand flat twist onto my hair, and as I am twisting, I am grabbing hair and adding it to each strand and just twisting it down and making sure it's as flat as possible and secure. I don't know how to cane row, unfortunately. If you don't know how to cane row, I definitely suggest that you do that instead. I feel like it's like you can get your hair to lay flatter, and once you get to the end, you just twist up the rest. And then the other flat twist, I have about 4 on each side. I just take it and braid the rest together and then rubber band it and put it in a low tight bun at the back of my head so that it lays as flat as possible. When I'm done the flat twist, I go in and oil my scalp with my peppermint oil, and then we go into styling our edges. So this is what I use to slick my edges, and I like using this because it holds for the day, and then I can like oil my scalp and oil up the edges again so that it doesn't get a weird residue, because sometimes this can cake up and get like a white residue. But I can oil it and then still slick it the next day and it'll still stay for the day, which is perfect for me. So I'm gonna take some with my finger and just starts to lay it on my edges. Literally just take it and lay it like this on my edges. A boar bristle brush, and then I start to kind of swoop and like style my edges. I don't really do anything crazy. You see how it's coming together when I brush it in like that? So I'm working the product into my edges with the brush, and then once I'm done brushing it down, I take a little bit of the product and rub it between my fingers, and then I further secure it down. And then I go ahead and tie my hair down for the duration of me like doing my makeup, and then this is the results. Okay, so we're back. Makeup is done. If you want to see this look, this tutorial, follow me on IG. I do my tutorials on IG. I do upload some tutorials on here too, but my main focus is IG. So now I have my wig here. This is just my half wig. To be honest, I forget the name of it, but I got it from my local beauty supply. Get any half wig of your desire. And so this is mine. It has a comb at the front and the comb at the back. So I have a wig cap on. All I do is apply the half wig, and then I don't put the combs right on my hairline. I put it like a little bit further back and kind of like push it into the flat twist that I got going on. Like that, but like nothing too crazy. And then I take the underside of it, pull it down, and to be honest, I don't attach it right at the nape of my neck either. I kind of push it above that too, because I don't like when the wig is right at the back of the nape of my neck. It hurts. I'm very tender-headed and I get headaches easy. So when that is going in, like it really irritates me. So I don't like that. So I have it attached to my head like this. Sometimes I can get it further back than what it is. Just kind of like pull it over the wig. So now what I do is take any type of headband. I usually get an all black headband, but I just found these tights that I just cut up. They're gray, but they're black on the inside. So I'm going to fold it so that I see the black part, and the clean part is like right at the front. And all I do is tie it around my head to cover the like this band. So that's literally how I style my half wigs. Like, I would definitely get a different band, but it's fine. Like, it'll work for today because I'm really not, like, I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't really matter to me. But literally, you just braid or flat twist your hair, put on your half wig, and then put like a headband around it or over it, I mean, and then just kind of like fluff the hair over the band like that. And you got you a quick, cute, easy hairstyle. Like, it's the easiest thing to do. It's so quick. When you're getting up in the morning, throw on your half wig, throw on your headband, and you're out the door, and it still looks cute. So this is how I style my half wigs. I'm just trying to fix this. So it's not as wide. Okay, there we go. Kind of tucking that under worked. I'm just trying to push it back a little bit on my hairline so that more of my edges are out. I do that sometimes if I feel like I need to like push it back. And then fluff and flatten. And that's, yeah, that's literally it. So I hope you guys like this really quick, really easy, really simple way. I know some people might not like this, but I will wear this when I'm going out, when I'm going to work. Like, I don't care. I will wear my half wig like this and call it a day. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks really cute. And again, it's really easy to just do and like head out the door. So, if you would, I'll include some pictures of me wearing half wigs that are like different types of styles. So this half wig, I wear curlier half wigs. I do it with straight half wigs. Like, any type of half wig, I will do it with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves.